Hi everyone, this is the Pool Hygiene Doctor, and in today's video, I'll show you how to correctly use water bags to secure your pool cover. Safety covers are becoming more and more popular due to their appearance and security. They use springs and anchors to make it resemble a trampoline, and it gives you that smooth, clean look that pool owners enjoy. Solid covers are cheaper, and they typically use water bags around the perimeter of your pool. Although this method can be unsightful, it is typically economical and effective in keeping the water clear. But why are your water bags empty in the spring? The most likely reason is that you filled your bags to 100% capacity, placing more pressure on the seams when the water freezes over the winter. When filling your water bags, try to aim for 50 to 60% full. This will be both heavy enough to hold the cover down, as well as allowing water space to expand. When applying your water bags, allow for at least 6 inches of overlap with the previous bag. Place them toward the end of your cover and not too close to the water's edge. The PhD has scooped many water bags from the deep ends of pools in the spring. Thanks for listening to the Pool Hygiene Doctor, and I'll see you at the pool.